Welcome back then to another Friday Key Camps Wild Camp. And yes, we're back to the old faithful Clin Eggy Eye. But this time, me and Cal, who you usually see on the channel, we've got our mate with us, Kyle, and he's not been out for a long time, so it's going to be a good camp. Whoa, drinking camp. And now, because I'm talking to you lot, I've lost the lads. So I better get cracking, because it's 12 minutes past 5. Got about an hour 15 left of light. Let's get these tents up and have a good Friday evening. I'm going to test out the new DJI mic as well today, because I've tried 2 videos previously, got absolutely nowhere. So let's see if we can do it today, and let's see if we can find some, you've guessed it, mountain doggies. And I've got some absolutely incredible scran to cook inside the tent tonight. Burgers, plastic cheese on protein bagels. Sounds bloody hideous, doesn't it? But it's gonna be good. So, see you soon. Mountain doggy! You can stay. Meh. Yeah. Right, I think it's time to make some food. Camp setup, gas, pan, oil, and burgers. Protein bagels, burgers, cheese, and some burger sauce. Don't want to forget a little table either. This is a godsend. Temu this, like £4. Look, just folds out. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So let's get that out of the way. Let's get the stove, Vango stove, nice and light, nice and cheap. Good morning, pineapple, looking very good, very nice. Look at that. So there is your cook system, easy going, and then you just put that on there, whack your pan on, ignite that flame, and we got burgers, baby. We got fire, baby. Put the old concentration sun out there. Bish bash bosh, that is the light. Some of you on there. Get you on the pan. Can't wait for this, I'm starving. Been in work all day, so now I'm going to have 2 Aldi burgers on protein bagels. It makes no sense, but it's going to be nice. Plastic cheese, and then I'll show you the snacks and the drinks later on. Look at these bad boys sizzling away. Smells incredible, can't wait for these. Absolutely starving. So while they're sizzling away, just a little reminder guys that we're 50 subscribers away from giving away the Vango NYX 200. So if you're new to this channel, go over to my library, find the Devil's Kitchen camp. It explains it in the video how you can enter. You can win yourself a free tent, and I'll post it to you for free as well. Just as simple as subscribing and leaving a comment in the comment section below. So head over there. I'll link the video in the description too, as a quicker way. Them burgers were incredible. However, not a big fan of the protein bagels. They're a bit weird. You know, I think protein based is weird these days anyway. So the lads are just cooking their dehydrated meals. I think they've both got. So I'm gonna head down to the river, filter some water, and then I'm getting on the old bevs. Look at this review. So this is what you want when you're filtering water. Nice fast flowing water. You don't want anything still or stagnant. This will definitely do for this. And there you go then. Just like that, we have water. And because it's so close to camp, I can do as many trips as I want. But because we've got the old beers, I ain't gonna need many. So we've done all the camping stuff. Let's get on to the proper stuff. Start drinking some Brewdog, shall we? Yeah. There we are then. That's camp finished. Didn't do any recording after them beers got cracked last night. No way that's going on YouTube. Anyway, we're all packed up. We're about to leave. Leave no trace. Let's get going. If you enjoyed that video, give it a big thumbs up, please. You know, as always, comment away. I always get back to the comments. I actually find them quite fun to reply to you and get to know some of you as well. Starting to recognize a few names and things, so it's really, really good, and I do appreciate every like and every comment. If you are new, remember, subscribe. We're going to be going out a lot this winter, primarily around North Wales, the beautiful place. And don't forget, the giveaway is still open. We're about 50 subscribers away, so if you are new, like I said, make sure you subscribe and get on the video attached in the description. I'll be back out next week on my own, somewhere probably in the Ogwen Valley. So let's try and do a summit camp, shall we? So from me and the mountain doggies in the background there, I'll see you next week.